Hello everybody. Now normally I would be playing games, stuff like that. But today I thought how about we change it up a bit and show you some of the stuff that I was doing when it comes to the housing authority before they effectively kind of fired me, and now I kind of have to hope something breaks, which I kind of literally hope nothing breaks there, because, anyway, it's kind of a double thing where, I have to hope that something breaks, but I'd much rather not have something break over there kind of thing. Anyway, one of the things I used to do was to go to a webpage. Now, this lovely, wonderful, fine company that we're going to have a lovely, wonderful, fun time talking about today, along with addressing some lovely problems they have with their lovely website, which I'll show you here in a minute what their problem is with their website. Now, you wouldn't think nothing of it that their website actually works and everything like that, right? It's somewhat snappy. That goes to that, which is kind of weird. But yeah, so they changed a couple things. But let's go back to the homepage. Now, if we go to view page sources, if you were a lovely IT guy like me, you would kind of see some minor problems. But that's if you rely off what you know. Now, there are some things I have no clue about and forgot about, and it's actually been a while. So I actually go to a lovely page called W3C Markup Validation Service, which is 3C's lovely, wonderful tool to make it where you kind of clear up your code if there's something wrong. You kind of have to some of us kind of consider it a double check kind of thing. So let's go ahead. As you will see, it's no big deal. It's just a standard, wonderful, lovely HTML code until you stick it off into the validator. And then you start seeing it sees problems. Now, first problem is that they don't have doc type declared. Then you can see that they've used an obsolete element, which should be in CSS, and then it just keeps on going on and on and on. In fact, let's go ahead and check this box and this box, and then you'll actually see it better, because it starts, as you will see, it just keeps going on. It's going on. See, like, here's the body, which is the second problem. And you can see where it says attributes obsolete. Body image. Now, you can actually see that they actually have CSS in here, because it is right there. So let's go ahead and let's see, where did I actually use wget. So, as you will see, I had used it for the entire web page. Now, I can't go into the password protected stuff, and I really don't need to go into that stuff, because that is in turn going to another third-party part of it, and that none of it's actually, matter of fact, their website's not even hosted in their office. It's third-party stuff. So let's see. This was the index HTML. So hang on a second. Oh no. We're going to go for style. Now let's look in this for a second. Yeah. Now, let's see, where was it? Background. Body, background. Imagine that. They could have used it for Image. Imagine that. Huh. Well. Now let's see what else they didn't do or did do. T opt color black. Really? Margin left, right, 2%. Background color. Now, I'm not sure, and of course I'm gonna have to look at this because, actually it's been a while since I've did any means of actually using a image as a background. Actually, no, let's go ahead and look at my website that I actually have. Because believe it or not, I actually have my own website. Unfortunately, I'm having to host it locally until I can get the servers that I'm actually trying to get from the housing authority. Believe it or not, I'm actually trying to do that. So let's go with let's see, this CSS and background image thumbnail. See, this is probably what they should have done, is background image. Imagine that, huh? Imagine that. So, let's go ahead and, So let's go ahead and, go back to, let's see, that was index HTML. So let's go ahead and start doing inline. CSS. Normally I don't like to do this, but this is just the means. Let's see, where is it? And hang on just a second. I normally don't. Okay. And this is where I kind of have to look up stuff. So, W3C. No. This is where I kind of have to look up stuff. Unfortunately, okay, no, let's go CSS style. Let's see, I need to go with CSS, and I need to go with, let's see. Dagnabbit. CSS, find CSS style. Because unfortunately, I do, forget stuff. It's kind of, this is how you do external, internal, and inline. So, they do have an external, internal, and an inline. Now let's go for internal. So we're going to need to do, mind you. Oh, and this actually brings us up to where we need to. See, actually brings us up to Now I actually did do some work on some of it. And so we're going to go ahead and borrow a line from here. And then we are going to go ahead and borrow this right here. All right, hang on a minute, guys. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. Desktop, there we go. Now, as you guys very well can see, I did this for the contact HTML, so we'll be using some of the stuff from it for some of the stuff. So let's go ahead and move, copy, and unfortunately this is pretty much how some of it actually goes. Let's go ahead and put that right there. Wait. Yeah, except for let's go ahead and bump that up there, and then see, what else was the problem? So it was, see, so that, let's go ahead and save this, and instead of going for the address, let's go for the file. And now this right here, let's try, hang on a minute, let's go ahead and no index, and go ahead and do that. And as you can very well see, it brings up another problem. Yeah, and this is pretty much how it see, so now it's not complaining about that no more, but it's complaining about the wait a minute. It says caregiver is not detected proceeding using, no, we're not doing the whole when freaking no. So this is where we actually have to declare, which is something else that they've decided not to do. Let's see, where is it? Context type, media, context, HTML. And, hey, where was that? Imagine that. Where's it? Huh? Yeah. As you will see, I'm having loads of fun showing a number of problems here. As a matter of fact, it says link reference. Link reference they got right. So, let's go ahead and go ahead like this and do that. And paste that in there and hit save and re-upload it. Index. A lot of images in the root that should not be in the root. They should actually be in their own lovely, wonderful folder. And apparently they, now mind you. These people claim to actually have, let's see, where is it? Let's see, where is it? These employees, 5 have degrees in accounting. The other employees have degrees in business, mathematics, and computer science. Now, you would think if they actually had computer science, they wouldn't come up with these problems with writing simple HTML code. So, anyway, now we're back to the whole CSS. So let's go ahead and, again, I'm going to have to go ahead and borrow this, copy, wait. So that's in link reference underneath that. Actually, let's go ahead and reference, yeah, let's go ahead and put it right there. Go ahead and put that, put little spaces there. And then we're going to go ahead and put, wait a minute, no. And then we're going to go ahead and close it, because you actually have to have it closed. You can't just open these things once you get it going. And then we'll kind of space it out the way I normally like it. As you can really see, some of this is not spaced out like I normally like it. So anyway, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to do this. Copy, contact, no, index. And then we're going to go like this. Wait a minute. Oh, that's right, because it doesn't normally color code. And then we're going to. Normally, I don't like to do it all in one line, and that's not advised at all. So, again, this is only kind of temporary. Normally, I would actually have this in the external file, and I might just go ahead and show you exactly how to do that later. Because as you see, this one's kind of set up that way. So, we are going to go ahead and continue. Let's see, go ahead and save this, and then we're going to go ahead and recheck. Again, this is all how they have their lovely, wonderful stuff set up. Oh, wait a minute. No, I forgot to change it. Wait, what line was that in? Line 12? Font. See, they are not even using the same font. There's that font, and then that's using that font. Kind of tell, just anyway. So we're going to go ahead and do away with this because we don't need it no more. Then we're going to go ahead and, because as you can see, how it kind of works with the way this. Now this is right here. This right here is called Notepad++, and it's actually pretty good. It's what most people like me kind of like to use because it kind of shows if we kind of close and open stuff properly. If not, it kind of just goes a little wigs out a little bit and says, "Hey, dummy, you did something wrong," or "Where's the end of this?" kind of thing. It's pretty cool. It's what most coders, in my opinion, kind of use. I don't know if it's really what most coders use, but that's what I use. So now let's go ahead and try it again. And that error should go ahead and go away. Now, mind you, I am not really doing that much coding right now. I'm actually just literally debugging what shouldn't be needing to be debugged. And as you will see, that error gone away, and now we got the new number one error, which happens to be font. Yeah, and so this is pretty much how it's going to work. Let's see. Now, is that index font? And that's background. Margin. Unfortunately, I need to font family. That's right. Font family. And so we're going to go ahead and copy that. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in right here. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do this the way I normally do. And oh crap, I'm going to have to go ahead and do it this way. And so that's closed right there, it's closed there, and body. So font size. No, there's not a font size, is there? No, it's just type. Allow child element, let's see. So we're going to go ahead and so we're going to go ahead and let's see, menu, hover. See, they've got some of the stuff laid out the way it should. It just, it's like their brain just turned itself off and went somewhere else. So we're going to go ahead and, no, not that one. And font family, I think. No, there one font face. Okay, hang on. Font face. What were they trying to do here? Font face. Okay. Font face. Font face. There were oh my god. Okay, so definitions and use with the font face rule. So clearly they didn't. Let's see. Say fonts for anyone in the font face rule. You must first declare to use the font in HTML element. To use the font in the for an HTML element, refer the name through the font family property. Seriously. Anyway, so it would have to be font family. So it actually had to be font family. Imagine that. It seems like they kind of just, I have no freaking clue. So we're going to go ahead and put this here. Copy. Paste. And then we're going to go ahead and do away with this because it is an obsolete element. So we're going to go ahead and do away with that. Center, I'm going to guess they meant to put it in center. So, now, mind you, I used to be able to code. Did I pass it already? I think I might have passed it. No, I didn't. And yeah, so yeah, I was pretty much a pretty boring guy when it comes to IT guy. And I actually have to, okay, hang on. Oh, crap. No, I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm not gonna worry about it. I was thinking about timing, so I wouldn't go over, because usually when it comes to coding or fixing computers or whatever, dealing with computers in one form or another, I kind of usually lose track of time, and yeah. So anyway, actually, let's go ahead and see if this is even close to what they were even wanting to do. Really, it's not. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Image. Oh, okay. Never mind. I had a massive brain fart, and I forgot. So we can actually fix that. No. So we can actually fix that. It's not no big deal. Where is it? Background image. Yeah, I just stuck the wrong thing in there, so it's no big deal. And then copy that, put that in here, and press the change O. And let's try it again. And guess what? It didn't work. Huh. Image 001. Wait, what? Huh. JPEG. Huh. Let's see. Now, unfortunately, sometimes it doesn't cooperate. So, background image URL. Hang on a second. Alright, so we're gonna have to do, it's no big deal. Font face, font size. Background clip, background image. Oh, it's because I forgot to put the. Are you kidding me? It's because I forgot to do that. See, this is what I'm talking about. Sometimes you kind of have to have a refresher. You actually have to go back to look at tools on how to fix things because you can't remember everything. I mean, I'm serious. I'm sorry. That's pretty much how it works. You can't remember everything. Did I not even freaking copy that? No. Wait, it's literally a line? No. You kidding me? It's literally a line. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on a second. No. Background image. Body.background. Really? Okay, I think I know now. I think I know what I did wrong. This is more of a what not to do than anything else right now. I forgot to put the period, take the period out. Anyway, let's see. So that's that. That's dot period paragraph. Okay, so we are getting close to. Now I don't have to know what's going on to make it where it kind of just pushes it down a bit, but maybe it's because of how they got it coded versus how I got it coded. So, but as you can very well see, I don't even have the stuff coded right yet. So, anyway, okay, so let's see what the next problem is. And you can very well see this is pretty much how it goes, trying to fix web pages. And we're not even in an hour yet. Okay, center. Trying to center the body. Now, text align center. That's what I think they're trying to aim for. Text align center. And then let's go ahead and get rid of this. And save. And then refresh. Wait. Huh. Margin left, 2%. Margin right, 2%. So, why? Okay, let's go ahead and undo that. Find out where all this is at. See, that's kind of weird. Let me go ahead and look at one of my other pages, because I think I actually kind of have that. Where is it? Now I would go to my the work I done for the Housing Authority, but unfortunately I went ahead and submitted that all back to them. Let's see, where did I? Oh, okay, main. Where is it? Main. And it was object text align center. What the Sam heck? Text align center. That even gets text align center. And this is for the body. Okay, that's spaced, that's spaced. Let's go ahead and, I don't like it when I'm like that, so let's go ahead and fix that. Ah, okay, that's right. So, yeah, I didn't like that. So, we got done with that. Alright, now, and as you very well see, we're pretty close to what they wanted. Pretty close to what they wanted, and we're kind of slowly but surely fixing the problems. Like I said, you would think that they, if they actually truly had people with like science, computer science degrees and all, that they would actually be able to code page. Wait, body. Did I forget to? I sure did. But you would think people that actually had computer science degrees that they actually code a simple web page correctly. And mind you, these were like the actual same people that were having issues with the way I was doing stuff for the Housing Authority. I'm pretty sure if one of the Housing Authority people actually saw the stream, they could actually see some of the stuff that I actually kind of had to do when it comes to coding. Table width. And let's see, table width. Now, unfortunately, I don't think I remember table width. Flat width, height, object, image validator. Now, I don't often like to do this, but it does kind of save on coding when you kind of put them both together like that. So, no, that's not what I wanted. Let's go with CS. It says CSS. CSS. That's what I figured it was going to say. Of course, I got two of them open. I don't know why I got that open. Okay, CSS. Actually, I do know why I had that open. There's no big deal. Dang it. Let's go with CSS table column width, because I'm pretty sure that's what they're actually aiming for, is column width. Column table A, column layout. Because I'm pretty sure that's what they were trying to do, width of 900, which I'm guessing they wanted 900 pixels. Table layout, table align. See, there's table align there, which they kind of text align. Table align. So let's go ahead and go with layout. Because I'm pretty sure this is what they were actually aiming for when they put this together. And that is on line 17, which is table width. Okay, so we're gonna go with we need to do another one with table. Actually, I think we need to go ahead. Hang on a second. Body. Let's go ahead and make this like that, because I'm pretty sure we need to keep things. We need to keep things as close or as oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. Yeah, DUI, that'll work. It'll work. Oh well, it's no biggie. Broke something again. What did we break? What did we break? Wait a minute. We broke something again. Text align center. Wait a minute. Well, maybe I did. Maybe I do need to do it that way. Paste, save. Huh. What did I break? See, this is a bad thing about trying to fix stuff, because sometimes you can actually break it without intending to do it. Let's go ahead and space this out so I can actually see this better. Okay, there's that. There's text align. Well, imagine that. I broke something again. Either way, it's still pretty close. Actually, I'm starting to wonder. Wait a minute. Undo. Hang on a second. Let's just go ahead and do that. Now, something's broke again somewhere. Because even the table is kind of weird. I don't know. It's kind of weird how they actually have it going. Huh. So let's go ahead and see. Let's see. So they actually had font size and then center. See, that's the problem. They didn't have it. And then they had this, which is kind of weird. But then fonts. See, this is kind of weird though, because they actually have this, but there's H2. So what's in the style sheet? H2. Nothing in the style sheet for H2. So it's kind of weird how they actually have. So they actually properly closed it. That's freaking awesome. Holy macaroni, man. So, wait a minute. That's for the table. Now, what? How in the freak did that? So it's the tables giving me problems now. Okay. Brain for it. Never mind. It's kind of weird how it kind of straightened up though, because you can see it's just the table because it's all on a table now. All of it's freaking squared up because that would be over there. Come to think about it. Okay, so right now I'm just having to deal with the table because for some reason it's yeah. Okay, it's the table. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep going. I've had just some massive brain fart right now, so let's go ahead and go with table. Jeez, I can't believe I just did that though. Sometimes this happens though, so let's go ahead and close that. Go ahead and close that. Put that there. Now we are going to go with I think they were actually going with. Now, if this is what I'd have to guess, is that it just says with. So I'm going to guess. Oh, there it is. Table bounder. Oh, why did you do it there though? Why? Table boundary. That is so. Anyway, so I'm going to guess that they were wanting 600 pixels or 900 pixels. So we're going to go with a table width of 900 pixels. We're going to try that and see if it. Now, normally, let's go ahead and do that. And let's go with 900. I literally think that's what they were aiming for. Now, let's see, where is this ending? Is it literally, okay, it's probably properly closed. Holy macaroni, they actually did something right there. And let's see, need to go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and save it. wrong one. Save it. No. No, I don't have it completely fixed yet, but because I still need to center the table. Okay, so because it's, yeah, so it's not there yet, but we can go ahead and see if that, because it's, okay, so not sure that's what they're wanting though, to be honest. It's kind of there, but not quite. So let's go with 850. And then save that. No. No, nowhere close to it. Okay, is there auto? I wonder if I could use the auto table layout, fixed initial parent. Say this is layout algorithm, kind of set by the width of the table or by the width of the first column cells. Okay, so let's go with table layout auto. No. There we go. Let's go with that and see if that's going to get close to what. Again, I am just guessing because they obviously can't code. Something as simple as a web page. And we're going to go ahead and hit refresh. There's still that there. Oh, wait. I see now. Table padding. And then the whole center thing is not fixed yet. Let's go with auto. No. So let's go with auto fixed. Choose default value. Well. No. Well, in a way, it's kind of not. It's kind of there, but not quite. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix the issue with it being. I believe it's text align center. I believe that's what they were actually aiming for. But we'll find out. Go ahead and fix that, or see if this will work. Oh, no. Wait, they actually want the table? No. Wait a minute, what? Alignment last. Wait. No. List grid. Okay, so we need bottom, center, flex, grind, grid, auto columns. See, this is the part where it kind of makes me wonder what they were trying to do. It really does. Okay, so table layout. Table size. Oh, okay, I see. I think I see now. Let's see, so, number of character spaces displayed for each. Default's 8. Okay, I think I see now. No, it's tab size. Huh. No, it's kind of making it's literally kind of making me wonder here. Really is kind of making me wonder. Because table, this is okay. Let's go ahead and get rid of this center thing, because we've kind of established that's not what they were aiming for. But it kind of makes me wonder what they were aiming for to begin with. Let's go ahead and see if this will actually, if it's just going to be, it really does kind of make me wonder. So let's see. Body. No. So I can understand the font color, the table border, which, you know, needs to be a CSS element. Border shell palette, yeah. But why in the world? Let's see if I could find. Because when you're in IT stuff, you kind of have to look up a lot of stuff. You can't just expect stuff to work. That's not how it works. Column span, headers, row span, table style. Is that what they were aiming for? Table style with maybe that's what they were aiming for. Table style equals 50%. Let's see what this one. No. Let's see. With text line. Is that what were they doing? Because it's starting to really make me wonder what they were doing. It really is. Because the way they did it did not make any sense whatsoever. Unless it's centering and then you have to add all the padding to it, which is kind of weird. Oh, they nested the tables. Okay, I see now. They nested the tables. And then they want the square. Okay, so let's go with TD. I think I see what they were trying to do now. Again, guys, it would have been nice if you had coded this the right way. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing this kind of stream right now. So, and this is kind of what happens when you want to ridicule somebody that's been doing stuff like this. So, they were wanting the table, or they were wanting the but they were wanting the table to be table T body. This is where it centers. No, that's not it. Table body. Because they were wanting the table to be centered too. Which is kind of weird. No, that's just text. Style width. Text align right. Yeah, this kind of makes me wonder about some of this stuff. Vertical alignment middle. Watercolor. No. Table. There we go. Table border. Border collapse. Style float right. No. Border. Margin. Left, right, auto. Table center. So we are going to do that because that will actually center the table. See, I knew it was kind of weird how they were trying to center it, and it didn't really make any sense. Save. And that should... Oh, imagine that! Table centered. Imagine that. Anyway, so I knew there was a way to do it. I just had to kind of remember how to do it. Okay, now they were wanting... okay, so now they are wanting the TR. So they were wanting the TR stuff centered too. Crap, where'd it go? Tab. No. Dagnabbit. I can't believe I probably closed that by accident. Probably did. Dagnabbit. TD. Center. TD align center. I believe that's what we're looking for. And let's see. TD. TR. Wait, no, it's Wait. TD tag. And they're actually wanting it to be centered. TD. Now, where is certified accountants? Okay, that's actually centered, but that's not how you're supposed to do it. Huh. Alright guys, I will be right back. I'm going to take a quick restroom break, and so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Okay, now we were going to... Now they actually did properly close this and open it and all this other stuff. So I can't really say too much about it, but they could have stuck that in the CSS and just kind of just did a class and be done with the crap. But anyway, now they're wanting that centered in the things. Okay, so I think they were wanting it to be centered. So we're going to go ahead and do text align center, because I believe that will work. And hit save. And yes, except for... Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Except for it does it for practically all of them. So we're going to have to do... Okay. So it's actually centering all of it. Okay, so we're going to have to make... How about td.outer? Here. And then make this, wait, how do I call class again? It's been a while since I did some of this. Let's see. Body class, okay. So we're gonna go CLA equals UTR and hit save. There we go. Okay, so we got that. Because that's basically all they wanted was the we can actually make that header, to be honest, because that's what it is. Could be alright if we spell, huh? Our header, and then we have to change that down here, otherwise it will not know what to look for. Paste header, and then refresh. Must be alright if I, okay, there we go. And now refresh. Okay, that's just going to be this part. This part right here. That's all it's going to do. Now we're going to do now this has now why is that center? See, they actually did the right thing right here. This doesn't make no sense. Oh, width equals 100%. Is that what they were doing? They were trying to make it 100%, not 100%. Let's try. I'm not quite sure. I'm not sure it's gonna work though, because I don't often make tables. Let's go with no. Control Z. Save. Oh, no. Wrong one. Save. Yeah. That's just literally weird how that actually worked. But, so I don't understand why it had like 900 for the width. This is kind of weird how they actually had that. And it's kind of close to the same. I mean, it's kind of matched up with everything else. Not quite, but it's close enough. Because this actually, the only real major difference is the border. And so I'll have to look in on how they fix that problem. But it's kind of weird how they actually... let's go with... because I'm actually going with pixels. How would I do that? Let's see. Let's go with 895. Save. Oh, okay. So that'll work. 890. Dagnabbit. 90. Save. Refresh. So yeah, it's gonna be fine. 85. Kind of just, it's not gonna look the same because I'm not. No, it's really doesn't make no sense. Make a difference to me. But what's driving me up the wall is kind of like having this little teeny tiny border. So yeah, that's what's driving me nuts. And on top of that, they have it's kind of They kind of have it spaced out too. Why do they have it? I don't know. So let's go with bring it down by another 5. There we go. That's better. That's better, man. Alright. Okay. Because they still kind of have this little really weird, maybe that's the way they took the pictures, or the pic, or whatever. Okay, so I got that problem fixed. Alright, so now class. Okay, we can go ahead and actually go ahead and get rid of this. And hit save. Let's try this again. And hit check. And that should, now it's the font. Even though they did open and close it properly, it's not done this way. Yeah, anyway, so we were going to do a, let's see, where's this? Do they have another header 2? Let's see where header 2 is at. Okay, they don't have another header 2, so we're going to go with another copy, paste, no. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do, now they did actually do the whole, they did it, this, you know, they did do some stuff right, it's just, they didn't, it just, you know, the way some of the stuff that they've done it was not done correctly. Actually, I'm not even sure that's how it works. I might have to, wait, what? Okay. Wait, what? Are you serious? Huh. I don't have a TR in there, so what the heck's going on? What is going on? Are you serious? That is so weird. It's because I took that one part out and now it's trying to center the other. Holy cow. Are you kidding me right now? That's literally, that makes no damn sense, excuse my language. This really doesn't make any sense on how they coded this page. So this is going to be the yeah, I have no freaking clue what they were thinking. I really have no freaking clue what they were thinking. So let's go ahead and put okay, so we did go ahead and put this here. TD header class, so that's straightens out that. The table straightens out that. The header. I had to say it, but I seriously don't know if they even knew what they were doing when they were coding this page, to be honest. Because this is just the images. They just made a table for the images. And then they made a table for the links. That makes no sense in my opinion. It really makes no freaking sense in my opinion. And then this right here. What were they even doing with this? It's like they put a table. Okay, this is what it looks like to me. They put a table to cover these. Then they put a table to cover this. And then they just slapped this over here. Holy cow. And again, it's not even properly closed. None of these paragraphs are closed at all. Jeez. Yeah, they just literally made tables inside of tables inside of a table. Because this right here is, I believe, this. No, wait, hang on a second. Hang on a second. So this table, all this is this table right here. So that's the reason why I'm gonna have to redo this stuff. So, that's gonna have to be called main. I'm gonna have to go ahead and call this main so they get this back up to 900 pixels. Table dot main. Make this slash equals main, and save this. And then, so, class header, TB header, leave that alone. Table. So what's this? Images 16. So is this what this is? 16. Yeah, that's 16. So that's gotta have. Oh my god. clearly had no freaking clue what they were doing. Then they want border 0. Okay, so they want border 0. They want that centered. TV. Yeah, they clearly had no freaking clue what they were doing. So we're gonna have to do table layout, auto table. Let's go take this out for now. Cut, save, refresh. Okay, that's not doing anything, so we go ahead and put go ahead and stick that back in there. So this is okay, so this is padding. This is actually I don't think I'll be needing that. I'll probably need to be putting now if I was charging my rate, which I'm not going to be charging my rate, I'm just going to be saying here's your code that you could have probably coded better than you did begin with. I would charge at least $30 an hour like I normally do. Like I charge the housing authority. You know what? I forgot to hang on. Did I forgot to oh, that's right. Font color. Font style red. No, I do. I like to do the see, this is what you should have done is inline over CSS. Let's go with font color red. I believe that's how it works. I may be wrong. I don't think so though. Oh, okay, never mind. I just didn't take it out. I just didn't take it out. That's right. Just think, these were the people that actually were ridiculing me when they were wanting to know why I have a lovely, wonderful proxy server and everything set up, and then what it was doing when I pretty much said it was just doing normal proxy server stuff, you know. I guess I shouldn't be too hard considering they pretty much got more work than I do now, but hey. It's kind of what happens when you kind of just outsource your stuff to other people and then you don't even realize the people that you fired. I better not keep on. No, I'm not even gonna touch it. So we're going to go ahead and put build another class, and then we're going to put it as not table main. Put table. Actually, no, we are going to go put table main, but we're going to do table main IMG. Yeah, IMG. Table main IMG. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and close this, open that, and I believe what they want done is border one. Wait. Okay, let's go with table body. No. I'm gonna have to go ahead and they want that center too. I believe that's what they want. Because that's the table, and then they did a TR, which is the row, and then the items in the row, which is the columns. And you can see that they actually had software and accounting seminar, so you can tell that they actually had a couple of things in here. Because the green stuff is them commenting out some code. That's how you count. That's how you comment out code in HTML. Now this is right here. The reason why this is actually used, the MU HTML checker, is because this is HTML5. Now, I am not too privy on how HTML5 works. I'm more of an XHTML1 traditional kind of guy because it's more better. But yeah, so let's go ahead and switch. Let's go ahead and make sure this is actually going to validate CSS font. Oh, okay. Alright then, let's go with font style. Is it style? I think it's style. Font style. No. Font family. Font weight. Okay. Font color CSS. Let's see. No, I always go with the body. Okay, so wait, did I forget to? No. Okay, so I did color values. Background color. Oh, that's right. I forgot. When you do it like that, it doesn't need to have forgot that. Another example of, me reading stuff. So, you can't remember everything, unfortunately. Line 28, column 14, 28. Wait a minute. Okay, background color. No. Wait. No, wait. Text color. Oh, duh. Oh, man, I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I did that. Oh, well. Sometimes it happens. Because you literally cannot remember everything. As I keep on saying, you, as an IT guy, will have to go back and look and research. The same heck. But it's... Huh. That is really weird. It's still giving me problems. Parse error. Wait, is it because I'm using a font? Maybe that's what it is. I know it's in there somewhere. It's either font or color or something. There he goes, yeah. It's because I was using font instead of color. And that should still... Okay, that still works. Okay, yeah. Okay, so... Now, back to this. So that is the header. That is, this whole thing is a table, and it's got a table inside of a table, and then so this is the images table. So we're going to go ahead and put table main, just the main class for the table, and then a TD class header, which is the header of the table. So we're going to go TV. I think we can go ahead and do it this way. I'm not sure. We need to go ahead and at least go ahead and try it. Because I believe it is, yes, it's actually complaining about that being not in a CSS doodad. Let's go ahead and put that. Order equals 1. I believe that's... No, wrong one. And then we need to go ahead and no, adding, save, and then we need to go ahead and get rid of this and make it first see where we're at. CLASS. No. ISS. No, there we go. Wait. And then we put name, image. Okay, so that should, we're going to go ahead and save this. No! Save it. And then we're going to go ahead and it literally just kills the border around it. Hey, that's nice. Okay, so so that is border 1, padding 0, cell padding 0. Wait a minute. That literally makes no sense though. CSS padding. Padding top, right, or bottom? No. CSS. Hang on a minute. Because again, they're using stuff that I normally don't use, unfortunately. CSS. Okay. CSS table border. Okay, this should styling table borders. Now, border 1 pixel. Oh. Can't believe I missed that. Oh, wait. That's right. So we need, let's go with solid black, like that one says. 1 pixel solid black. That should, save. Okay, so that's not how they had it. Table padding. Okay, so they actually have it as a for example, black borders on elements. Oh, they actually have it for THTD. So let's go with okay, so they actually had a gray. What? TD. Hang on a second. Border equals 1. Cell padding equals 1. They don't even have a color selected for the freaking thing. Kidding me? Font color. Kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Huh. So that's pretty much a gray. Jeez, it really is kind of literally making me. Let's see, what do they have in their style sheet? P.it paragraph menu. Jeez, are you kidding me right now? Are you literally kidding me right now? Jeez. Okay, so let's go with I'm gonna have to border collapse. Max width. What's the max width? Solid. Okay, so you can do so it is what is it, gray? Jesus, just drive me nuts. Really is. Really is. CSS position. Now it looks like they might have went with no border, hidden border, double border, grave border. Effect depends on the border's color value. Looks like it might have been order type. Let's go with that. Let's go with that. See if this will even work. Paste. Save. No. Set, not set, good. Maybe it's the rigid. Maybe that's what it was. Paste. Save. No, but it actually looks pretty good with that. It really does. Maybe it was the on outset. Maybe it was on the outset. Again, they're using stuff that I'm not familiar with, so I'm having to learn as I go. But it's kind of looks like it's the same effect. Okay, so let's go with that. Now the border was 1. So, sorry guys, it's just looking at some of this code is just literally nerve-wracking, and it's driving me nuts. Border, that's 1. Let's save that. I'd say, but that actually looks better than what they have to begin with, to be honest. It really does. It really does. So, because the rigid border outset border. None of the other borders probably perfect use border style properties set. So, let's go with dotted shorthand. Rounded borders. Border width. it just makes no sense to me on what they're doing. It kind of looks like table padding. It kind of looks like there are, I don't know, hover table, striped table. Border spacing between borders. Border bottom. Collapse color, image, border left, right, style. Value. Dash solid doubled. You know, it kind of makes me wonder. Kind of makes me wonder. Yeah. Well, I do sincerely apologize for the lovely, wonderful kids that are yelling outside. Color, group, style, picks. So let's go ahead and play with this a little bit. Paste. Save. Get rid of that one. Let's go with border color. Border color. Top color. I see now. Border top color. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh no, that's not what I thought it was going to be. It does kind of make you wonder. Top style. Top style. Oh, yeah, it's not going to listen. No. So, Well, let's see. Yeah, it's kind of questionable what they're trying to do here. Because they don't even have a border type that they were doing. So I kind of makes me wonder if they were doing border image, no. Alright, border top, border style. Solid groove, inside, outside. I wonder, what if I did, oh, I already had it open. Let's go with border, color. Hex, color wheel. GRAY gray. So let's go with this, and then go with paste, run. Go with 1. Okay, guys, I will be right back. I gotta go ahead and take another restroom break, and so don't have too much fun. Alright guys, I am back. So we are facing a problem of trying to match up with the style that they have here. So, let's see. So we are going to go with kind of makes me wonder if they went with double. Or maybe the outset one. Because it kind of looks like it's an outset. For the top part, or maybe double. So, ridge, groove. Let's go for the double. No. Rigid. No. Well, it kind of looks like that, except for it's, actually, let's go with the color that they have here in the, let's go with this color. It's this color. Copy. Paste. It almost looks like it's a double, double kind of thing. No. Let's go ahead and try it with this color. Paste. That looks pretty close. That looks pretty close. So let's go ahead and go with, okay, let's go with, double dash, wait, what? So many borders in each side of its element. Wait, what? Huh? Double solid. Or dotted solid. Dotted solid dash doubled. Well, Well, now that is rather interesting. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and go with rigid, though, to be honest. Yeah, because the rigid looks pretty close to what they were going for. Except for it, they wanted it in one, not... Okay, I think I see now. Because the dotted is on top. Solid. Dashed. And then double. Huh. And then P2 is dotted. Solid. And dashed. Yeah, but I think it's mainly doing... I don't know, it's just really weird what this image they're doing. Are you kidding me? Wait a minute, they actually put it... No wonder it's screwed all the same. No wonder. Okay, I see what they did now. I think I see what they did now. Where is... Where... I think I see what they did now. I think I see what they did now. Why? Here, I'm racking my brain on trying to figure out what the Simic they were doing. And it was right in front of me the entire time. Okay, so, okay, so now... Image float left. Body. Menu. So, dot dash, okay, so they, yeah, I think I see now what they were doing. And man, oh man, it makes no freaking sense whatsoever. It literally makes no sense whatsoever. Okay, so what it looks like is they went ahead and they did that. And then they centered the freaking thing again. And then here's the menus. Image, float left. But they're not using a.menu, a.hover, a.submenu. Why do you have it in your CSS, but you're not actually using it? That's what's not making any sense to me. Okay, so we can go ahead and get rid of this border style type for now. Because right now it's just... Let's see. Copy. Centered. Text decoration. See, it looks like they had... P dot dotted, P dot dashed, P dot... These are classes you're not even calling. Unless you're calling them somewhere else. Yeah, we can go and get rid of this. Oh my god. You have the same errors in your PHP too? Are you kidding me? What did you guys literally do? Just copy stuff from your HTML to PHP and call it done? Holy freaking cow. Holy cow. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Tell me that you're freaking kidding me right now. So, again, I'm not looking into the... Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! You guys clearly have no freaking clue on how you're coding this thing. And then you have a CS styles, or style 4. It's pretty much the same thing. What did you do? You guys forget that you actually had a freaking... Okay, so right now I'm not even going to deal with that right now. No, I'm not going to do it. So, because it kind of looks like you doubled... Oh, excuse me. Wait, is this? Let's see if this is. Yeah, that's not even in your. Let's see what else is not in here. Text line center. You guys really, really do not know how to code stuff worth a crap. So, TD center. Okay, let's see, where is this? TR. Alright. And why do you only have 2 of them that have border equals 0? Are you kidding me right now? TD center. I wonder if I could reuse the yeah, let's see if I can go ahead and reuse this and rename it. Table main TD class header. I'll probably have to rename it later, to be honest. Dang, damn it, that's not what I wanted. Let's see what it does with this. Paste, save. Actually, you probably want it. Let's go with I swear, I really am oh, that's text line center. Alright guys, hang on just a second, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Just for a little bit anyway. I am starting to wonder if they were... Hang on just a second. Okay, sorry about that guys. Anyway, I'm starting to wonder if they were trying to divide all this up by the means of using tables. That is literally the only thing I can think of that they were trying to do. So let's go ahead and try to see if this will work for the images. So I am pretty sure that's what they were trying to do. And yeah, because I now have that squared up. Oh my god. Are you serious right now? Okay, let's see if this is going to be the same thing. Wait, no, not the header. What were we working on? Oh, wait. No. TD, let's go ahead and put TD, .nav, and then, copy, paste, and we're going to go ahead and, oh wait, so this is the images. Okay, so now we're working with, no, we'll name it menu. It says class menu, so we're going to see class menu. A.class menu. I'm not sure that you... Oh, no. Wait a minute. Okay, so I think they might have got that right. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh. Okay, so let's go ahead and, now like I said, they actually did some things right. They didn't completely blow it, but they're not exactly They didn't exactly do a good job on this thing either. Let's put it under your CSS error reporter. Only 0 can be a unit. Wait. Are you kidding me? Did I not? Wait a minute. I guess I didn't hit the right button. Wait. Let's go ahead and make sure that's saved. Okay. And that's on. Okay, wait. So it's on line 21. Line. Order. Oh. Only 0 can be a unit. You must put a unit after your number. Oh, okay, I see now. Pixel. Okay, that's right. I forgot. I think it might go on. Well, let's go ahead and because again, I don't often use borders. I don't often use tables or anything like that. And it should say the same for CSS cell padding. Wait, cell padding? Oh wait. Well, it seems like our neighbor's kids are home. Spacing style. Dashed, no. No. CSS padding. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Okay, let's go with CSS. Border spacing control. Border collapse. Padding. Oh, so it is padding. It's just padding. Okay. Okie dokie. So it's just padding. And it's probably going to complain that it is not a unit, but we're going to go ahead and again, this is some of the ways that I've coded. So, oh, really? Actually, you know what? Probably really don't even need it there, but image alt. And this is where they could have actually helped the blind people, because the alt tag is when somebody happens to be using a screen reader, it will read the alt. Is that, you know, when you hover over a picture and all of a sudden magical, you know, text appears? That's what their screen reader reads. And so I really don't know if they're comfortable with talking to people that are blind. Because personally, I actually have this set on all my pics, all my pictures and everything. Because the validator for the XHTML1 will complain about it not being there. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and look into actually remember how I did that. So see, I'll show you what I mean. What is it? Maybe it's on my index. See where it says alt and then that. When they go to my website, if I ever happen to have somebody go to my website that happens to be blind, when they go to it, their screen reader will say shot from the front, which is me and from the front, even though it's probably not all that descriptive anyway. So I'll go ahead and take. Oh crap! Anyway, I'm not going to worry about it. No. And so I will. Now, where is this at? No, not that. This is on line 73. 73. Oh, imagine that. It's on the line where, actually, is the header text align center. Actually, we're going to go ahead and get rid of this right now. And save. So that should make it where it's tt dot header. Wait a minute. Huh. Maybe it's the, maybe it's just caching it, I guess. Anyway. Main image. So, let's see, what is this? Let's see, is it this one? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and it says border equals 0, which I have no freaking clue why they want a border around any of this. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these borders and hit save, refresh. Okay guys, I will be right back. Okay, guys, I'm going to have to go ahead and call it a day there. I think we did make pretty good progress. But it still kind of makes no sense on what they were doing. Anyway, I'll figure out a couple of things of what they were trying to do. And yeah, let me go ahead and close this out and try this again before we go ahead and close it out, because it's going to drive me up the wall if I don't. Let's see. Okay. Anyway, let's see. So we're going to go ahead and open up this again. And then we were working on the index. I don't know what we did wrong to make that go all sorts of weird on us again. And anyway, I'll figure it out eventually. It's just that right now it's just I'm gonna have to go ahead and imaging. I might just have to go ahead and redo part of this, and it won't be too big of a deal for me to fix. Anyway, I want to go ahead and call it a day there. Unfortunately, my lovely, wonderful caregiver duties are going to be kicking in here pretty soon. So, I do greatly appreciate all the people that stopped by and gave me a little bit of their time, even though it was it was one of those rather boring streams. It's actually probably more boring than me, playing video games, trying to be entertaining. But in a way, it's kind of the problems that you might see when it comes to relating to HTML coding and all that. Now, what I might end up trying to do is re-download this lovely, wonderful page and see if I could get these problems fixed again. I don't know. I might just go ahead and do that, and then because this part, let's see. Okay, so actually that part's pretty much done. So what we will be working on. Oh wait, I see now. Because it's okay. So actually we were working on what the problem is now. Let's see. It's just the alt pictures, and we could fix those later, and then we can go ahead and okay, so this and this and then this. I think I see. Okay, yeah, it's the actual. Why is that one kind of? Hang on a second. Table main. Table layout. Table header. .header.nav. Wait a minute. Is there like another? I'll just have to see. Because this part is this right here. So, and then, that's rather interesting. I will have to see. Let's see. Oh, it inherited the main, so I'm gonna have to go into that one. Okay, I see where it's going now. Yeah, I see where it is. It shouldn't have inherited it though. Oh, actually, it does inherit it. I see now. So it inherited the fix from. Yeah, okay. Not a problem. I see what the problem is now. But again, I'm gonna have to put the alt, and I'm gonna have to like put it as points and stuff like that. So with that being said, we are pretty much almost done fixing this problem because it's mainly just table border color width table. Is clearly they have no idea. But anyway, so we're going to have to put like alts right here and then fix. Wait, what? Alrighty then. Anyway. So we'll get back to that, and as you will see, we actually stopped at like 70 something, and then for more problems we fix, actually ripple down to the other stuff. Anyway, the only thing that I'd much rather that I would actually ask you guys to do is to go to my Extra Life page and make a donation there. All the donations there go to the Children's Hospital Foundation here in Oklahoma, and I haven't had a chance to check this, but I do believe regardless if you donate to my Extra Life page or the actual general Extra Life page, that some of those donations actually go towards some of the other stuff that Extra Life actually does right now, which I believe is more like, not only is it taking care of kids and their bills and all this other stuff, but it actually goes toward other charities that brings in game systems and stuff like that too. So either way, kids are going to get helped. They're going to get entertained. They're going to help, hopefully forget about this whole coronavirus problem in one form or another. And that's pretty much where it goes. So with that being said, I will be here tomorrow. And we'll continue to work on this lovely, wonderful page. And then after that, actually, I think we might spend this entire week on just fixing the problems on this page, and then giving it Erlob an actual email saying, "Here's the problems that I fixed, and if you want to hire me on, then that would be great. If not, that's fine. I just donated my entire week of streaming to your website since you decided to go ahead and ridicule me for the work I've done for the housing authority that I actually live at and somewhat still work for, even though I don't really get that much work anymore." So with that being said, until next time, don't have too much fun, or at least try not to anyway.